Welcome to Spagtastic. In this lesson we are going to learn how to use capital letters for the names of people, places, days of the week and for the personal pronoun I. This is a level 1 skill. Let's begin by thinking about what the capital letters look like. Here are all of the capital letters that you need to know. When we are writing, capital letters always sit on the line. We are first going to learn how we use capital letters for people's names. The first name needs a capital letter and the surname, which is the second name, needs a capital letter. Let's take a look. Our first name is Kate Jones. So Kate needs a capital K for the first name and a capital J for the surname. Our next name is Oliver Brown. So we need a capital O for the first name Oliver and a capital B for the surname Brown. Our third name is Jaden Smith. We need a capital J for the first name Jaden and a capital S for the surname Smith. We need to use capital letters for pets' names too. In this sentence, the dog is called Buddy. Buddy is the name of the dog, so it needs to begin with a capital B. In our next sentence, I have a rabbit called Snuffles. Snuffles is the name of the rabbit, so it needs to begin with a capital S. Place names also have a capital letter. England is the name of a country, so it needs to begin with a capital E. Manchester is the name of a city, so it needs to begin with a capital M. And Manor Park School is the name of the place where children go to school. So all three words in the name need to have a capital letter. We need a capital M for manor, a capital P for park, and a capital S for school. Days of the week also start with a capital letter. The days of the week are Monday with a capital M, Tuesday with a capital T, Wednesday with a capital W, Thursday with a capital T, Friday with a capital F, Saturday with a capital S, and Sunday with a capital S. A capital letter is always used for the personal pronoun I. We use I when we write about ourselves. Let's take a look. I like to eat pasta. In this sentence, I am writing about myself, so I need to have a capital I for the personal pronoun I. In the next sentence, I have a new bike and I like to ride it. Both of the words I need to have a capital letter. Now it's your turn. Here is a sentence. I have a cat called Whiskers and we live in Scotland. This sentence doesn't look right because all of the capital letters are missing. Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself about which words should have a capital letter and why. Let's take a look. We need a capital letter for I because it is a personal pronoun and also the start of a sentence. We need a capital letter for Whiskers because it is the name of a cat, and we need a capital letter for Scotland because it is the name of a place. Here is a final sentence for you to try. All of the capital letters are missing. Every Saturday, I play football with my best friend Edward Taylor. We need to fix this sentence and put the capital letters in the correct place. Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself about where the capital letters need to go and why. The first word in the sentence is every, so that needs a capital E. Saturday is the name of a day of the week, so that needs a capital S. The personal pronoun I needs a capital letter, and Edward Taylor is the name of a person, so the first name Edward needs a capital E, and the surname Taylor needs a capital T. Here is a summary of the learning in this lesson. We have to remember to use a capital letter for names of people, names of places, days of the week, and for the personal pronoun I.